Hey friends, if you encounter the error, there's a problem with this app on the Microsoft Store, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, let me assume that the app is a ShareX app. It could be any app. Search for it in the Windows search bar and click on App Settings if it has that option. Scroll down, terminate that app, click on Repair, click on Reset, and then on Reset once again. The next option is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache. And lastly, we have a command to re-register the Microsoft Store. Simply copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, expand it, click on Run as Administrator, paste it here, and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.